Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilette's World. We are back at CVS today to do a repeat of some very good deals. I have some extra bucks and $10. Let's see what we can get. Scope 1 liter mouthwash is out of stock, so we can't do that deal. Burt's Bees toothpaste, $4.99 each. You purchase 2, you get 4 extra bucks. Colgate Max toothpaste, $2.99. You purchase 2, you get 4 extra bucks. We'll get 2 of these and 2 of these. Crest 3D White, $3.99. If you purchase 3, you get 5 extra bucks. Dove is 2 for $8 and you get 2 extra bucks when you purchase 2. We'll get this Clarify and Hydrate shampoo and this conditioner. Garnier shampoo is 2 for $7. You get 2 extra bucks when you purchase 2. We'll get this Slick and Shine shampoo and conditioner, 1 of each. Suave Men shampoo and conditioner, $4.59. CVS haul. We went to a store with $10 and a few extra bucks. Let's see what we got. This is my first transaction, all toothpaste. I have a lot of toothpaste CRTs and digital coupons and I didn't want them to expire. This is my receipt and these are the coupons that applied. A $3 Crest digital coupon for 2 Crest toothpaste, and I used $2 paper coupon for the Burt's Bees toothpaste, 2 $1 paper coupon for the Crest toothpaste, there's a store coupon, $3 off whitening kit or treatment, $3 off $18 purchase of oral care, $2 off $10 purchase of Colgate products. I rolled 15 extra bucks. Subtotal is $1.91 plus tax of $2.56. I paid a total of $4.46. I got $8 extra bucks for purchasing 4 Colgate Max toothpaste, $5 extra bucks for purchasing 3 Crest 3D White toothpaste, and $4 extra bucks for purchasing 2 Burt's Bees toothpaste. A total of 17 extra bucks back, making the cost of this all toothpaste transaction at $2.46, which is tax. This is my second transaction. This is my receipt and these are the coupons that applied. $1.50 digital coupon for Dove, $1.50 digital coupon for Suave Men, $1 Garnier Fructis. There's a store coupon, $4 off $18 purchase of hair care, $2 off Dove hair care CRT. I rolled 7 extra bucks and paid $3.88 including tax. I received 2 extra bucks for the Dove hair care products and 2 extra bucks for the Garnier hair care products. making the cost at $6.88 or $1.38 each. The final cost of these two transactions combined is $9.34 or 67 cents each. So for less than $10 and a few extra bucks, we got good deals. I went to another store to see if we could get the mouthwash deal. On another transaction, I picked up these 3 Crest toothpaste, $3.99 each. You purchase 3, you get 5 extra bucks. 2 Scope mouthwash, $3.99 each. You purchase 2, you get 3 extra bucks. CoverGirl, you purchase 2, you get 7 extra bucks. This is a transaction from another store. This is my receipt. These are the coupons that applied. I used 2 $1 Crest paper coupon and digital coupons for the Crest and CoverGirl. There's a store coupon of $3 off, $12 purchase of cosmetics, $3 off teeth whitening product, $1 off $5 mouthwash. I rolled 13 extra bucks. The total including tax is $6.30. I received a total of 15 extra bucks. Making the final cost including tax at $4.30. I know it seems like there's an awful lot of oral care products on the CVS and Walgreens deals. These are toothpaste and mouthwashes. There are weeks that the stores will offer very good deals on these products. They would be free or very low out of pocket. This is the time to stock up. There will be weeks that you won't find any deals on these products. This is the life of a couponer. These products don't really pile up in a storage. We get to share them with family and friends, and sometimes they go on donation. So if I can get products with very low prices and sometimes free using coupons, I will take advantage of it because a lot of people benefit from couponing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next deals. Have a great day.